Hello, today I'm going to be opening up a Shoppies doll, and her name is Jessica.
What is it?
A card.
A VIP card. Cool. Girls' Day Out. Discover the fun of Shopville where the shopper and their Shopkin friends love to hang out. There's so much in store to adore when you plan a Girls' Day Out.
And the Shopkins names are Cocoa Cupcake and Cherry Cupcake. And here's the little brush. And here's Jessie Cake out of the box, and her headband has a cupcake and frosting and a bow and a cherry on top, and her shoes are like cupcakes, but they only have frosting at the top, and on the back they have cupcakes. And her skirt has sprinkles on it, her hair's blue, and her shirt has a bow and it's pink.
Do we know why they have a hole in the bottom of the one shoe? There's not a stand. Oh, there's a stand. Oh, there's a stand. Here you go, Katie. Tell us that she has a stand.
And she also comes with a stand, and that's all. Today I am on my cousin's show, QB83, and I'm opening up 2 of the Garbage Pail Kids Series 3 sticker cards, and 10 come in each, so let's see what I get. And I got this for my birthday today, so. If you hear talking in the background, that's all my family. I got this card. Sticker card.
Hold it a little flatter towards the camera. There you go.
Okay. It says, and then on the back it says a report card. And then I got this card with a spider and a boy sitting. It says Mini Martin. And then on the back it is a Garbage Pail comic starring Double Heather and Double Heather. Then we got Garbage Pail Kids lawn scene. These kind of look like Cabbage Patch Kids.
Actually, it's Lawn Sean.
And then on the back, there's all these. This is a checklist on the back for this one. Then I got Garbage Pail Kids for C. Henry. And then on the back is a GB Elementary School report card. And then I got Garbage Pail Kids Heady Ham. And then on the back I got a comic starring Lakey Lindsay and Buggy Betty. It looks like they're cooking because of their noses. They are. Then we got Silver Steer Shooter.
Sylvester.
semester. And then we got an elementary school report card for hopscotch.
Why do you like these?
I just got them. I don't know if I like them yet, but they look like little Cabbage Patch Kids.
They do, and you like roast things. Yeah.
Okay, and now this is Garbage Pail Kids. Lisa, and then Lisa, Mr. She looks like she's picking her nose. Ooh, and then on the back I got a puzzle piece. Okay, then on this one I got John of Arc. And then on the back I got Adam Bonnie, 4 out of 10.
Do you know your daddy and your uncle used to collect those?
No.
Yes, they did.
And then we got Flush Francis. And then we got a report card for Grapefus Petey. And this is the last one in this pack, but I'll have another pack right now. So this is Los